Looks like a kind of museum.
The Museum of Wishful Thinking, where the rich bought and sold so many unfulfilled dreams.
Seen my fill of gonk magnet ventures like this.
Huh. In a past life? What was it? Real estate? Entertainment?
Arasaka, actually. Research and development, broadly speaking. Specializing in data acquisition.
Quaint name for corporate espionage.
Quaint indeed.
No need to delay. So quiet I can hear my chrome creak.
Quiet's a good sign.
You think so? I generally prefer lively places.
Feel free to ask her about those exhibits. Really wonder what she'll say.
Damn. There's no way around this?
Songbird, got a sitch. Can you jimmy the door?
On it. Ugh, the lock jammed. Gotta brute force it, V.
Time to roll up your sleeves.
No need. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Head for the elevator, just across the room.
Huh. One of Hansen's warehouses, it seems.
Gotta find an elevator. Other side of the room. Okay, here goes.
V, do you hear that? Shit. Bastards caught up to us again.
Songbird.
Hey, bad news this time. Hansen's dogs caught your scent. Assault incoming. You probably got spotted outside. Either way, get ready.
What now?
Got a surprise for our guests. Making the final adjustments now.
I will not be
Do this for a second. Need that.
Myers, we gotta engage him. Song's on the case. Ah.
Suck my lid, bitch!
Reloading! Cover me!
Starting to heat up in here, Songbird.
Working on it. Hold on tight.
How about joining up? I can't lose you right now!
Almost there. Still melting that program.
Keep rocking!
Set. 90.
God almighty! It's moving!
God, what? Songbird? What's with you?
What the hell is going on, V?
Dunno! Song's having a fit or something!
Not looking good! Oh, shit!
Son of a bitch went haywire!
Shoot me! Slap a muzzle on the thing! This way! Quick! Through here! Do you have a death wish? Over here! Through here! V! No!
Songbird? What's with you?
What the hell is going on, V?
Dunno! Song's having a fit or something!
Not looking good! Oh, shit!
Son of a bitch went haywire!
For fuck's sake, shoot me! Slap a muzzle on the thing! This way! Quick! Through here! Do you have a death wish? Over here! Through here! Come on, V! Faster! On your feet! Run! Up here! Escalator, go! Through here, V! Up there! Elevator!
Fucking move, damn it! There, got it. Elevator on the way. Stay low till it gets here.
God fucking damn it! Elevator! You're not dying on me today.
Nope. Guess not.
Right. Good.
We take it out?
The fall did. About time we caught a break.
Can't stay here.
Are you mobile? Motherfucker! Will you just die? The fall wrecked it! Let's go! Kick this tin can to hell! Drop the bastard! Hit the exposed bits! It's our only chance!
Fuck.
Don't get fried!
Take cover! I'ma fucking destroy you.
Stand it, B! Lock the gaps in the armor! You wanna play rough? I'll show you rough!
Hey, watch out!
Step away from it! Stand it, B! Spot the gaps in the armor! Don't get fried! Turret's active! Seek cover!
I'ma fucking destroy you.
Aim where it hurts! Come on, you son of a bitch! Face me! Watch the laser!
Take cover! fucking destroy you.
Aim for its weak bits!
fucking destroy you.
Scan it, V! Spot the gaps in the armor! Get ready for a barrage!
Fuck.
You wanna play rough? I'll show you rough!
Hey, watch out!
Yeah, that's right! We got it! Shit! Not dead yet! Look alive! Tech drone! Don't let him messy up the fat one!
Will you die already?
Concentrate your fire on the drone! I'll cover you! I'm gonna strangle you, Sony! You're done! Don't get crushed! Keep moving!
You want more?
Don't get fried! Watch out! Barrage coming!
Hide or you'll get hit!
Toxic gas! Up!
busting piss, shitbot!
Nicely done. Good fucking riddance. Safeguarding the nation. My ass.
Yeah. Close call, that. Good teamwork.
And luck. A pile of luck, V. Grab what you can, and let's head out. There has to be an exit here, somewhere.
Так, а это что?
Good stuff. I just hope this won't be a dead end.
Songbird said to keep to the tunnels all the way to Elizabeth Crest Street.
Any chatter from her?
Zero. Dead quiet. Come on! Блять!
Got a hatch here. Could we jump, maybe? What is it now? Let's move, please. Hold up, V. Let's pause. Think for a sec.
What's eating you?
I don't like this. Can you try calling So-Me again?
Okay, gonna give it a shot. Beat a Songbird. Starting to worry us, girl. Song, are you there?
No answer, huh? Guess you got me and only me.
Great to see you again, Johnny.
Curb the enthusiasm, kid. Never know. Could need me.
So? Did you reach her?
Nothing. No response.
Shit. What happened back there? With So-Me? My time's worth millions, V.
All I know is she lost control of the spider mech all of a sudden. Maybe of herself, too.
Huh. Putting it mildly.
She was simultaneously wrestling down the Chimera, monitoring the situation, and staying in touch with you. Still, it is strange.
You know, no net run comes without a burn risk.
No. Impossible. So-Me's had occasional off moments lately. Temporary slumps. But I'm sure she's headed where we're headed. Same destination she gave us. It's the reasonable thing to do.
Right. Reasonable. Girl's gonna have a hell of a hangover. If she wakes up.
How you figure that?
'Cause I wound up at the same rave she went to. Felt like I was underwater. Leagues down. Tried to surface, but this suffocating, sucking sound pulled me back in. Then when she lost control of the Chimera, the water turned into fucking boiling tar.
Seems the sitch spiraled out of control.
Amen to that. Though actually could have been a straight overload. Seen runners caught in those. Shit's ugly.
So, can we move on? heading southwest now. Feels like we're circling back.
Yeah, saw mention an abandoned building. Place to lie low. No heat sig. Should be relatively... Could use a little help.
Of course. A damn fork? Well, we didn't account for this. Which way now? Thoughts?
Let's try this way.
Looks promising. Huh, our stop. On the right, see it? Here's where we surface.
Christ, finally.
I'm gonna smell musty for a week.
Cameras. Here? Hot as Satan's balls in here. Should plug that.
Look for a valve.
There we go.
Looks like a control room. Street. Bull-headed Betty, that's what we called her. Re-elected 9 times. Believe it? She must have had her ass welded to that seat. Funny how she has her own street in Night City of all places.
That jealousy I'm detecting?
Please. Jealous of what?
Oh! Not now!
V, are you?
1 sec! It'll pass. Oh. See? Better already.
What's the matter? Are you hurt?
Yeah, could say that. Old wound.
One that literally has you on the floor.
Got a experimental Arasaka biochip in my brain. It's killing me, literally. Somi says she might have a solution.
Wait. You're talking about the relic.
That'd be the one.
The secretive tech someone stole from Arasaka. On the day Saburo lost his battle with mortality, no less.
Bingo.
So that's how she could reach you. It also goes a long way toward explaining the nature of your deal. I appreciate the candor. Seems it's all for one and one for all, if we're to survive.
expecting more trouble?
Tonight, I expect nothing but. It's best to be prepared for any contingency.
Okay, this is us, 8th.
Great place for an ambush. Hopefully no one else thinks so. Is this the place? I'll cover you. On 3. 1, 2. Pitch fucking black. Where are you, Zomi?
Huh. Guess we got here first.
Seems so. I'll have to sit tight. Though I assume we'd rather not sit in the dark. Power would be useful. We could also get the radio up and running.
What? Can't miss our daily dose of fear-mongering?
We need to know the situation on the ground. I'm gonna change out of this mess. High time.
Change. Into those filthy old rags.
These filthy old rags won't be smeared all over every TV and terminal screen in the city. Unlike my presidential best. Have a look around. I'll join you in a minute.
Check this, V. Attempted postmodern art.
More like a home-cooked generator. Maybe we kick-started. Literally.
Uh-huh.
Old Thornton engine pretty run down. A little bit of chew left, too. If the fuel's not degraded, it could actually run. But can't start it. Not without a power source.
Sure, but seeing as we got a lull in the lead pouring down on us. Listen, got a bad vibe about this. You?
You? Bad vibes? Oh, big surprise.
Songbird, S-tier netrunner, promises a panacea, a cure-all, then gets wiped off the map. Myers, shady politico. Got a dagger thrown at her back all the way from Washington. Who by and why? Fuck if we know. Oh, plus Kurt Hansen and this fucking SAM launcher. Just preem. Got this hot itchy feeling in my groin. Like someone's not fessed up to something.
Mean Myers? Sure, seems a smokescreen type, but no surprise.
Really, gonna sit and nod? Come the fuck on, V.
Politico, Johnny, your words. The Prez, no less. The hell you expect? You think she'd start spilling Washington's dirty little secrets just because I saved her ass?
The more secrets fester in this cesspit sitch, the bigger the shit explosion later. Anyway, let's get this power sitch sorted.
Should do the trick, by my eye. In you go.
Fire it up.
Fingers crossed. Here it goes. And the maze balls.
Look what I found. What do you say? There's more in the fridge. Feel free. You earned it.
Just earn yourself a vote, Madam President.
Are you even registered?
Housewarming gift from Songbird, maybe?
Wouldn't it be wonderful?
And circling back to Night City, speculative chatter continues tonight around the downed passenger craft. NUS representatives claim President Rosalind Myers was aboard when catastrophe struck. City officials have yet to release any statement. However, one all too familiar figure did decide to speak out. Kurt Hansen, the self-proclaimed leader of Dogtown, called a press conference earlier today to offer his take on the situation.
I'm being framed. Isn't it obvious? The NUSA's been out for my blood for years. Now, I'm not without flaws. But another thing I'm not is suicidal. An attempt on the life of the head of the NUSA? What transpired in Dogtown is no trivial matter. I urge you all to consider the true motives behind this spectacle. The NUSA will take any excuse it can get to send forces into Dogtown. And will they stop there? No. You, good people of Night City, are next in the fucking line.
Shit.
Mark my
Fuck
words.
this. Troglodyte's clever. Maybe too clever for his own good.
So Hansen decided to wave a classic false flag. Sow doubt, reap apprehension towards any NUSA attempt to get you back. Both ends fight in the middle.
Well, you sure know how to cheer people up. Some mysterious party's out to trigger war. An attempt on my life's a damn good casus belli.
All the more reason for us to stay put. Got plenty of mysteries to solve. Songbird, Washington, Hansen.
To name a few. Agreed. Hear that? Footsteps.
Songbird?
Maybe. Can't be sure, though.
It's our lucky day, Shumba. A penthouse with a view of the city.
And lights that work. No, this doesn't feel right.
None never does with you, does it? Fucking killjoy. You want an angle on Hansen's airdrops? You got it.
V, we need to eliminate them.
Come on, man. Let's have a look around.
Wait.
I'll be damned.
Want to try talking first?
I hope you know what you're doing. Weapons! Now!
What the fuck?
I won't say it again.
Yo, chill.
Back the hell up!
You done asked for this!
Eliminate them! They didn't leave me a choice, whoever they were.
That's two fewer problems down the line. Tough but necessary.
Yes. Yes, you're right. The bodies. We really should do something. I saw a chute in the hallway. Another problem solved. Don't know about you, but I've about had it with today. Tomorrow will come quickly. I need to rest.
Here? What if more like them show up?
That chute's not going anywhere.
You serious?
Come on. I think I've had my fill of surprises for one day. Still nothing from So Me.
Radio silence.
She's never gone dark this long. Troubling, to say the least.
So, what if Songbird don't show?
We need to wait. It's all we can do for now. If she doesn't show, well... then... we'll have one other option to consider. But let's table it till morning. We should get some rest. Surreal. All of it.
What's that?
I'd have been home by now. Reading the evening brief, glass of water and 2 sleeping pills waiting on the night table.
Doesn't sound like you miss it much.
See you in the morning, V.